हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज़ कोमल और आज हम पढ़ेंगे वेक्टर्स। वेक्टर्स पे पहले ही मैं आपको कुछ वीडियोस प्रोवाइड कर चुकी हूँ और इस वीडियो में हम स्टडी करेंगे मैग्नीट्यूड एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स अलोंग विद एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम एंड triangle with the help of many examples. So let's get started with the video. So students, your first question is find the value of a into b vector. So आपने क्या करना है, आपने a vector into b vector की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Where a is given as I plus 2j plus 5k and b is given as 2i plus 3 of j. तो आपने क्या करना है, फर्स्टली i, j और k आपने ऐसे लिख लेना है. फिर उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, इनकी वैल्यूज विच इज 1 2 5 1 2 5, i क्या है 2, j क्या है 3, k नहीं है तो यहाँ पे 0. तो हमने इसकी क्या करनी है, वैल्यू निकालनी है, जैसे हम मैट्रिक्स में डिटर्मिनेंट निकालते हैं. तो अगर अपने i की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो इस कॉलम और इस रो को इग्नोर कर दीजिए. यहाँ पे लगाइए i, इसको इग्नोर करके 2 इंटू 0 0 माइनस 15, फिर माइनस ऑफ j, फिर इसको और इसको इग्नोर करके 0 माइनस 10, अगेन k की वैल्यू ले लेनी है, इसे और इसे इग्नोर करके विच इज 3 माइनस 4. सो आपके पास वैल्यू आएगी माइनस 15 ऑफ i प्लस 10 ऑफ j माइनस ऑफ k. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a इंटू b वेक्टर. सो अब हम एक अगला क्वेश्चन करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a इंटू b एंड इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड. तो सबसे पहले आपको a इंटू बी मैट्रिक्स का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है और फिर उसका मैग्नीट्यूड लेना है. तो एज इट इज सबसे पहले आपने i, j और k को ऐसे लिख लिया. फिर उसके बाद 2 0 1 1 1 एंड 1. आपने क्या करना है, इसका एज इट इज डिटर्मिनेंट की तरह लेना है. i को आपने बाहर लिया, ये रो और कॉलम इग्नोर करके 0 माइनस 1 माइनस j, रो एंड कॉलम इग्नोर करके 2 माइनस 1 प्लस k. सो ये रो कॉलम इग्नोर करके 2 माइनस 0. सो आपके पास वैल्यू आ जाएगी माइनस i, माइनस माइनस यहाँ पे माइनस ही रहेगा, j क्योंकि पॉजिटिव है, प्लस माइनस माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस ऑफ 2 ऑफ k. तो ये तो आपकी आ गई वैल्यू. लेकिन जब हम किसी चीज का मैग्नीट्यूड निकालते हैं तो आपको क्या करना होता है, आपको ये सारी चीज अंडर रूट में ले लेनी होती है, विच इज 1. यहाँ पे 1 है, माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा 1, प्लस माइनस 1 अगेन का होल स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा 1, 2 का होल स्क्वायर विच इज 4. सो द वैल्यू कम्स इज रूट ऑफ 6. रूट ऑफ 6 इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वैल्यू a इंटू b. So this is the answer of this question. Now moving ahead with another question. So students, your next question is a is equals to 2i minus 3j minus k, b is equals to I plus 4j minus 2k. So सबसे पहले आपको a into b वेक्टर निकालना है, फिर b into a, then a into b multiply by a plus b into a minus b वेक्टर निकालना है. So सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालते हैं, a into b. a into b, again writing this as I, j, k, where a is equals to 2 minus 3 minus 1, b is 1 4 and minus 2, and taking its determinant as if we are taking the matrices. So I is ignoring this row and column 6 plus 4 minus of j, ignoring this row and column minus 4 plus of 4 and k which is 8 plus 3. So the value comes 10 of I. This is cancel out, so the whole value became 0 and again 11 of k. So this is the value where a into b is taken. Now if we take the value b into a, So we take the value of b into a, again writing it as I, j and k. b is 1, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus of 1. So I is taken as, ignoring this row and column, minus 4 minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 4 2s are 6 minus of j, ignoring this row column, minus 1 plus of 4 plus of k, minus 3 minus 8. So putting this value, आपके पास आंसर आएगा minus 10 of I minus 3 of j minus 11 of k. So this is the value if we take b into a. This is the value we take a into b. Now we have to find out another value which is a plus b and a minus b. So firstly we clean the board so that space will come. B. So a plus b, the value come 2 plus I is 3 of I minus 3 and 4j plus of j minus 1 minus 3 of k. Now the value comes of a minus b, which is 2 minus 1 I minus 3 minus 4 minus 7j minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 of k. Now finding this value, we have to write this is I, j and k. 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 7 and 1. So finding a determinants, taking I, first of all 1 minus minus plus, plus minus minus, again minus of j, ignoring this 3 plus 3 and k minus 21 minus 1 minus 20 of I minus 6 of j minus 22 of k. So this is the value of this equation. Firstly we have calculated this value, then this, and this is the process of doing this value. Now moving ahead with another question. So students, your next question is 2 of I plus 6 of j plus 27 of k if multiplied with 1 of I plus p of j, q of k is equals to 0. So firstly you have to calculate again the values of I, j and k, which is 2, 6, 27, 1, p and q. So I, ignoring this row and column, it became 6 of q minus 27 of p. Again taking j, which is 2 of q minus 27. Again taking k, which is 2 of p minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now what is 0? Where every value is equals to 0. Now 6 of q minus 27 of p is equals to 0. 2 of q minus 27 is equals to 0. And 2 of p minus 6 is equals to 0. So we have to, in this question, find out the value of p and q, which can be arising from this. So 2 of q is equals to 27, q is equals to 27 upon 2. This is the value of q. Now p is equals to 6 upon 2, which is 3. This is the value of p. So you have to firstly calculate, you have to multiply this vector and create this form of vector which is equals to 0. Now every position of I, j and k is equals to 0. Putting this value, you get your answer of p and q. Students, your next question is find unit vector perpendicular to these vectors. So you have to calculate a unit vector which is perpendicular to these both vectors. So what is the formula of perpendicular of this vector? So the formula is a vector into b vector upon magnitude of a vector into b vector. So firstly you have to multiply a into b, then calculate its magnitude. So we are first going to multiply and calculate the values, which is 2, 3 and 1. So I is equals to 2 plus 3 minus j, 1 plus 2 plus of k, 3 minus 4. So the value comes 5 of I, 3 of j minus of k. So this is the value after multiplying a into b. So the magnitude is, you have just to take the magnitude. Now we will directly put the values in the formula. The value is 5 of I minus 3 of j minus of k. Now calculating its magnitude, which is 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9 and 1. So your answer come 5 of I, 3 of j minus of k upon root 25 plus 10, which is 35. So this is the answer of this question. So if you have to calculate the perpendicular of the vector, firstly a, you have to go with a into b upon magnitude of its vector. Here comes the answer of this question. So students, your next question is find the sine of angle between the vectors, and your vectors is I plus 3j plus 2 of k, 2 of I minus 3j minus k. Let the first vector is I and the second vector be b. So if we have to calculate the sine of angle, the formula is magnitude of a into b upon a's magnitude into b's magnitude. So this is the formula for calculating sine of angle between vectors. So firstly we have to calculate the magnitude of a into b vector. So taking I, again j and k, and putting the value 1, 3 and 2, and next is 2 minus 4 and minus of 1. So I value comes minus 3 plus 8 minus of j minus 1 minus of 4 plus k minus 4 minus 6. So your answer k, 5 of I plus 5 of j minus 10 of k. Now this is the value come while we multiply a into b. Now taking its magnitude, the value come 5 5s are 25, again 5 5s are 25 plus 10 square is 100. So total value is come root of 150. Now we have to take the magnitude of a and b separately. So magnitude of a is equals to 1 plus 9 plus 4, 1 plus 9 plus 4. So the value comes root of 14, and magnitude of b 4 plus 16 plus 1. So the value comes root of 21. Now putting all this value in this question, we are first going to delete this part so that we can get the space. So we will delete this, we will rub this. So the value comes a into b, which is the value root of 150 upon, firstly a magnitude is root 14 and b magnitude is root of 21. So root of 150 is 5 upon the root of 7, and this is root 2 into root 7. Root 21 is root of 6 into root of 7. Sorry, root of 7. This value is root of 6. Now solving this question ahead, if we multiply this 5 root 6 upon, if we multiply this, the value come root of 6 into 7. This is cancelled. Now the answer comes 5 upon 7. This is the answer of this question. Firstly calculate magnitude of A into B, then magnitude of A, then magnitude of B, and putting this value in this equation like this, you will get your answer. So students, your next question is find the area of a parallelogram with adjacent sides where A and B is given to you. Now firstly, if area of parallelogram is the formula A into B vector. If we multiply A and B, the value of area of a parallelogram come. Now I, J and K. Put this value 1, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2 and 1. Now taking the value I, 2, minus 6, minus of J, which is 1, plus 9, plus K, which is minus 2, minus 6. So the value come minus 4 of I, minus 10 of K, minus 8 of K. Now this is the value of area of a parallelogram using adjacent side. Now if the question comes, you have to calculate area of a parallelogram and diagonals are given. With diagonals, if the value come with the diagonals, if you have calculated the value of area of a parallelogram using diagonals, so this formula is multiplied by 1 by 2. We have just supposed these are the diagonals of the parallelogram, and using the diagonals we have to calculate area of a parallelogram. Now you have just to multiply it with 1 by 2. So the value come minus 2 of I, minus 5 of J, minus 4 of K. This is the value if we calculate area of a parallelogram using the diagonals. Clear? If we calculate it by sides, the formula is A into B. If we use diagonals, use 1 by 2. Now moving ahead with the last question. Now students, your last question is find A dot B where A is root 26, B is 7 and A into B is 35. So firstly we write the formula, which is A into B is equals to A whole square into B's whole square minus A into B's whole square. So this is the formula where A into B whole square is equals to A's whole square, B whole square minus A dot B whole square. Putting the value 35 whole square is equals to root 26 whole square, B's whole square minus A into B's whole square. Putting the value 1225 is equals to 26 into 49 minus A into B's whole square. Taking this value here, A into B's whole square is equals to 1274 minus 1225. The value comes this side, so the value became 49. Clearing this square, we get the root, so the value comes plus and minus of 7. This is the answer of this question. If we want to calculate A dot B, use this formula and put the value and get your answer. So students, I hope so this video is very clear to you and help you in calculating the vectors. If you like this video, do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.